Ready, serbisyong totoo ng GMA News.
Itong si Haiyan o Yolanda, gaano po kalakas ito?
Sa ngayon, Jessica, ito ay isa pa lamang tropical storm. Ibig sabihin, ang kanyang wind ay mga 60 o 70 kilometers per hour. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, malayo pa siya. Nandito pa halos siya sa kalagitnaan ng Pacific Ocean. Papasok pa lamang sa PAR. At base sa forecast ng Weather Central, bago yan pumasok dito sa ating PAR, ito ay isa ng ganap na typhoon. Ibig sabihin, mahigit 120 kilometers per hour na ang kanyang center wind. At kung yan ay araw ng Huwebes at araw ng Biyernes yan, maglalandfall kung hindi magbabago yung kanyang bilis at kilos, meron ka pang mahigit isang araw halos na mamamaybayan dyan sa karagatan. Kaya inaasahan na bago yan tumama, base dun sa track or forecast ng Weather Central, kulang-kulang mahigit mga 200 kilometro kada oras yung kanyang maximum sustained wind near the center.
Naku, napakalakas po nun, Mang Tani. 200 kilometers. Parang malapit na maging super typhoon, di ho ba?
Tama yan, Jessica. Kaya lang ang nakakano natin, kahit na hindi maging super typhoon yan, pangkaraniwan kasi pag ang bagyo dito dumaan sa Visayas, kung makikita mo yung cone of uncertainty,
There's a typhoon coming!
Go.
What? May bagyo man daw. This is what we're gonna do.
First, check emergency kit. See if there is food and water supply for at least 3 days. First aid kit, cellular phone with fully charged battery, flashlights and extra batteries, extra t-shirts, and extra money. Second, make plans for evacuation to higher or safer ground, especially if you lived in a coastal area. Third, participate in cleanup activities to clear pathways of rainwater to avoid flooding. Fourth, transfer valuable and other furniture to higher ground, especially if your place is flood prone. Fifth, secure objects found outside that could be blown away or cause damage to properties or bring harm to people. And last, unplug any electronic equipment. During the typhoon, do not go near windows, doors, and porches. Stay indoors. Do not go to isolated or open areas. And lastly, stay updated with Pag-asa's official announcements by listening to the news.